Hello everybody, my name is Nathaniel Dodson. I run the Covenanter monthly pamphlet program over at covenanter.org/pamphlets. You can head over there and check it out. You can subscribe for just $10 a month. That'll get you a brand new pamphlet delivered right to your mailbox. Or you can check on any of the many pamphlets we have produced, printed, or republished, and what have you. You can pick up a copy of any of those for just $12 each. Now this month, March of 2018, I've got Causes of the Lord's Wrath Against Scotland by James Guthrie. To help you understand a little bit about what this little booklet's about, I'm going to read here a section of the back of the book. In 1651, the Church of Scotland was rent asunder by what became known as the Protester Resolution or Controversy. The Protesters were the minority party. The Resolutioners controlled most of the higher assemblies of the Church. Both parties agreed to keep covenant breakers and those who refused to own the obligations of the sworn covenants out of church office, but the protesters, understanding that the covenants had a civil application, demanded the malignants be kept from places of power and trust in the state. With the division of the assemblies of the church into protester and resolutioner assemblies, the spiritual decline of the Church of Scotland ensued. The Causes of the Lord's Wrath Against Scotland was penned in 1653 by James Guthrie, a protester, who wished to set forth the various steps of covenant defection in the Church of Scotland. In this work, Guthrie exposes the series of compromises and defections, which not only led to the breach in the Church of Scotland, but also continued to plague the Presbyterians in its aftermath. Each step of defection meets the rebuke of various passages of Scripture, which were added to minister correction to the erring soul. Additionally, Mr. Guthrie catalogues the sins of the ministry and their contribution to the woes of the Church of Scotland. In this section, there are many observations with practical comments designed to call ministers to faithfulness and diligence. In both parts, the attentive reader will find much of contemporary application. So there you have it, Causes of the Lord's Wrath Against Scotland by James Guthrie. Again, you can head over to covenanter.org/pamphlets and check it out. Pick up a copy of this booklet for yourself. Thank you very much for watching.